Hey, it's Nikolai from Global Seafoods North America. Today we're going to show you our sea urchin. In Japanese, it is called uni. These are from the Pacific Ocean. These are fresh, they're alive, they're absolutely delicious. We're going to crack some open and show you exactly how to get in there and get that treasure. So we're going to pick them up, you're going to find their little mouth hole there, and we're going to grab it with scissors, cut it straight out, pulling everything out that comes with it. And we're going to do the same here. And we're going to cut around with scissors to a circle. You can use a knife, of course, but it's a lot easier with this. With scissors, it's more controlled and you're just less likely to damage the insides, which is what you're really trying to get at. We do highly recommend wearing gloves when you do this. You can get poked. It's not fun being sea urchined. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna have all the juices of the sea urchin inside, including the roe. So we're gonna use some tweezers to take all of its guts and insides out first of all. And drain out the juices. Essentially, it's the blood of the sea urchin. Pull all of that out, get all of that out of the way. We don't want that part. It's one of the least appetizing parts of the sea urchin. Take out all the parts of the shell that are in there. A little bit time consuming, but the more you get out, the better it is. Just trying to get to the end of it. There, look at that. You can see all that golden sea urchin roe, the uni, so prized. We're going to do the same thing to this guy. Same way, cut out the mouth. Using scissors, pull it right out, and then we're going to cut it out just like we did. Drain as much of the inner fluid as possible, and snip, snip, snip. You know, this is a really huge delicacy. Most restaurants don't serve uni this way. Most of them get it same way you would buy it at a grocery store. Usually we get it at Asian markets here. And it's not in this format. It's usually in a tray. It's already been harvested out, so it's a little older. This is super fresh. It's as fresh as you can get it. Usually you have to go to super high-end restaurants to receive uni in this form. Just look at how beautifully golden that is. So then you just take a spoon and you're gonna scoop it right out. You know, the uni, it's going to give you this rich, deep flavor, a little bit of iodine, a little bit of seawater. It's absolutely delicious. You know, you can make sushi, sashimi with it. Different cultures have different recipes. You know, some people would argue that it's comparable or even better to black caviar. That's all opinion. So why don't you try it out? This is the best of the best if you're an uni lover. So